So I bet you guys never knew about this. So there's this new feature on TikTok that allows creators under 1,000 followers to earn up to $100 just by posting a video. So just imagine posting one creative video and you earn $100 by joining a challenge on the platform. Not even the popular challenges that have been going on for followers, but this one you're just getting paid to jump on a song, be creative with the song, and earn up to $100 per video. You don't need any special skills. All you need to do is just to be creative with whatever video you are doing or content you are creating, and you are good to go. So if you're interested, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more. So before I delve into that, make sure your account is public, has a DP, and also follows the TikTok community guidelines. And after that, you need to make sure you have up to, let's say, 500 or 600 or even 1,000 followers on the platform. And make sure you have at least 2 or 3 videos already on your channel. So with this, let me pick my phone and show you step by step how you can opt into these challenges and earn more than $100 even a day or maybe within a week just by joining challenges that pays very high. So let's get into it. So first of all, let me open my TikTok. I'll show you it on the screen and you follow along. So after opening your TikTok, you come to the profile side. So make sure your account has this TikTok Studio enabled on the home page. So you click on the TikTok Studio. So you check the monetization side. This is where it gets tricky. So you need to check whether this platform is available on your profile. So if not available, maybe you need to wait till it becomes available on your region, or maybe your account has this feature. So you see that you have subscription, you have video gifts, we have work with artists. So we are going to use the work with artists. So here we have artists who have released music and accepting all creators to send in their creative works, videos, text, any engaging video, any engaging content, just to promote their music. So you get paid minimum of $100 per challenge if your video is kind enough and maybe creative enough and being accepted by the artist and the TikTok platform. So over here you see the campaigns available. So here currently I have no campaigns yet, but here are some of the past campaigns that you can see. So they pick a song and get creative. They have 3 songs and they have deadline for it. So make sure you work within the deadline and submit your videos on time. So this one, they said from August 13 to 17, that's when the challenge was open. And the maximum you can get is $100. And you can get, let's say, $200 for being the most creative with the sound. Yeah, so it sounds good, right? Yeah. And you have $35 max, so it depends. So let's say $100 has most of the sounds, 3 sounds. You have $50 for same 3 sounds and all of that. So anytime you come here and you see available campaigns and deadlines, just make sure you click on it. They will give instruction, the duration, how they want your video to be and everything. Just post, use the necessary tagline, hashtags, and tag them. And after some few days, the winners will be announced on the platform and you'll be able to cash out from the TikTok app without going live for gifts or maybe accepted into the partner program or maybe brand deals. This is just a cool deal if you are new on TikTok and you want to make some cool cash. So let's click on tips. So here TikTok is giving you some tips about how their platform works. So they are saying you get rewarded for videos using artist song, and the better your video performs, the more you earn. So let's say the minimum is $100. If your video even perform more than that, it will double or triple your money for you. So that's good news. And then so you just start creating the content you want and you submit it. You just earn on the platform just like that. So if you like videos like this, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you again with a new method of making money online. Happy earning. Bye.